Let's decode PrismaSeT I. When we say experience the power of I, it's just not a tagline. It's the new benchmark for power distribution. Intuitive to build, with an AI-powered configurator, the time to engineer a PrismaSeT I switchboard is reduced by 50%. The new single hardware and integrated frame helps build PrismaSeT I faster by 20%. Impactful by design. With its new design, PrismaSeT I delivers high performance. Rating up to 5000 amps, internal lock up to 65 kA. The new busbar system and slim width saves up to 20% space. The classic core design enables direct access for specific application. All of this in compliance with the latest IEC 61439 edition 3. PrismaSeT I sets a new standard in safety and efficiency. Insightful in operation. With its digital switchboard architecture, PrismaSeT I enables real-time monitoring. The temperature sensor, heat tag, and on-panel HMI enhances operational efficiency and smarter decision. This is our offer to the world. PrismaSeT I doesn't just keep up with the future, it defines it.